Alright guys, so the video for today, I want to talk to you guys why I'm so happy to be an introvert. First, I got to go into what actually is an introvert. The definition of an introvert is a person whose personality is characterized by introversion. Typically a reserved, quiet person who tends to be introspective, enjoys spending time alone. So why is this kind of important? Because a lot of people get the notion that if you're an introvert, you're naturally shy and don't want to talk to people. But that's not really right. You gotta think of it as a way as using a coin analogy. So let me tell you the coin analogy. If you're an extrovert, you wake up with 0 coins in the beginning of the day. And coins represent energy. And you get more coins by interacting with others. But if you're an introvert, you wake up with a certain amount of coins, and every time you have interaction with somebody, you're giving a coin away. And that's your energy. And the more people you interact with, the less you have. But the way for you to get it back is to be alone. So that's like a cool way for you to think about being an introvert and being an extrovert. So why am I so happy to be an introvert? Because there's certain qualities that I have naturally from being an introvert that I like to talk to you about. So the first one is I'm naturally self-reflective. So if you know anything about what's going on today, people online or people in person, a lot of people are not naturally self-reflective anymore. And that's a quality about me that I really enjoy. I always reflect on who I am as a person and things that I do, so on and so forth. And being reflective really helps me improve on a lot of things, because instead of me looking for outside problems, I look at the problems on the inside first. And that's like I feel is a good way to look at it, because that's a real good way to look at it, because you can't really change the outside world as fast and easily as you can change your inside world, basically is yourself. Okay, so the next one is my ability to easily develop deeper relationships with people. So naturally, I could develop deeper relationships with people through a conversation, because I always look at things past the baseline level, like past the first level, and go dive much deeper into the topic about anything when it comes to a person. So how am I able to develop deep relationships with people? Because first of all, I'm a listener first and a talker second. And if you have any type of social skills whatsoever, you know that people love talking, especially about themselves. And I know how to ask the right questions to have people just go deeper and deeper talking about themselves or things they're interested in. And when you do that, and especially you find common ground with that person, you build rapport with them and you develop a much deeper relationship than you had at the beginning. So the next thing I want to talk about is not needing others to be creative or to do deep work. So coming up in school, we all know that we had to do all these class projects or other type of school work together with other people, and it's kind of the same way in the real world, where no matter where you work, you're gonna have to work with other people, but you're also gonna have to do work by yourself. And I can work well with others, but I really do well by myself too. I know how to think outside the box without getting outside help. I know how to, and that really helps when it comes to problem solving. And one of the last reasons why I'm so happy to be an introvert, I'm extremely observant. I notice things before other people notice them. So one of the last reasons I'm real happy to be an introvert is I'm naturally observant too. I'm able to pick out the commonality in things. I can pick out somebody's habits, the way they do certain motions. Oh, this person likes to wear this type of color on this day, but they wear this outfit a certain way on this day. It's mostly just picking up the little things and other people that makes them the person that they are, that I'm just naturally good at. There's so many reasons to be happy to be an introvert, or if you're not. But especially if you are, I recommend you read this book, Quiet, by Susan King. She goes into depth a bunch of reasons why it's so good to be an introvert, and basically how to embrace certain qualities about yourself and bring them out to the fullest. Definitely recommend you guys check out this book. So this is a quick video I just want to get out there. If you're an introvert, go ahead, comment down below the best quality that you see in yourself in being an introvert. Don't be afraid to reach out to me on Twitter if you want to start up a conversation, and I'll see you guys in the next video.